Welcome back, everyone. Here in the closet ceiling, I've just finished what I started in the utility room ceiling yesterday. Carving space for ductwork and installing a temporary support until we place our steel in here. And now, with yesterday's discovery of the original electric panel in service, the realization that this is not the original service. All the evidence points to this bedroom ceiling having been removed before. So we're going to remove it again, which will make it much easier to place bathroom ventilation. Run the ductwork through here and out that way, out the roof. And our ductwork for the heat pump over here, and to track down the original wiring, see how it went, and replace it. After noticing the electrical business yesterday, start looking at the work done on this, and we know this is a different mesh that doesn't look as nice from this over here in the kitchen, but also the quality of the installation is far different. These seams are all done very nicely. Whereas over here, they are ragged, overlapping, and stapled. We're going to take this ceiling down, make our mechanical and electrical work much easier, and wind up with a much nicer finished product. And we're going to get some of this perforated metal to put back in there. And we're still working out exactly what, but I'm going to try to bring this electrical panel and service closer to the original. So we still have to do what I discussed originally, and try to swing this panel away from the wall a bit so we can see behind there, which we now know is the front of the original panel, see what that thing is exactly and if we can use any part of it. Right, so the next thing for me, since Ed will be back here soon to help take down this ceiling, is to remove these lights. Get them out of the way so we don't destroy them. And that's just held in by these tabs here. One of them's already out. I caught it. Don't worry. Alright. That's not how you do that. At least there's a clamp on it. It's so frequent that people don't bother with that and just run wires through sharp metal things. Alright, I've decided in order to safely swing this away from the wall, I'm going to attach some legs to it. We've got holes in the side right there. Alright, it's standing on its new legs. Let's see what we can see. Gently wiggle this out. Okay, the way they ran the wires from the original panel through this hole in the wall, they've left almost no additional wire to be able to move this. So we're going to have to start disconnecting things. And there's why we're replacing all the wiring. Looks okay until you try to bend it. Okay, got all of the wiring disconnected, so we can do this safely. And of course we'll have to get this plywood off the wall too. There, now that is propped to our maximum stretchability so it's not wobbling around. Carefuling. They didn't even leave any of the bars in there to make their illegal splices. And horrible ones, including the largest wire here. Not that any of this is any good at all. Wow. This square D panel, though, gives me some kind of hope for some sort of a restoration. Our insulation is here. 2.5-inch foam. As much R value as we can cram into this dome. So, there's some stuff to do. See you tomorrow.